Rob here with SmileFix, here today to show you how to use our SmileFix temporary filling and cement kit to create a filling. So let's do a temporary filling mixture, and we're going to take some of our Eugenol oil and place a few drops on the side of a plate. Then we're going to take our zinc oxide powder and take about a teaspoon to a half teaspoon and put it on the plate. Then we'll crush up the lumps if there are any after I zoom in here, and we're going to separate this pile into two, and then I'll separate one of those piles into four, and I'll mix in this first pile right here and start getting it into the oil. You're going to be shocked how much zinc this oil can actually absorb. It's pretty impressive. And our end product we're looking for is somewhere around a very dry, like bread dough, imagine. So we're going to keep mixing. You're going to think, oh, I've put too much powder in. No, you haven't yet. It's okay. It'll take more. You'll be shocked how much. And keep in mind, I took about 6 to 8 minutes to mix this completely. So this is very sped up, and the important thing is just mix it thoroughly. And after it's fully mixed, you still have about an 8-minute working time, so don't worry about it. I'm showing you right there that I'm using the side of my spatula tool on the end of my mirror to kind of cut under the material and to pick it up and then press it down. And that's how I'm using the mixing right here. And this is actually real-time mixing. It's okay if it's thick enough that it's sort of bending the plastic. You want it that thick. It should be a dough, and it's not yet. So we're going to take a little bit and just add it to the spatula. The spatula is really sticky, so you can just dab the spatula on top of some of the powder and it'll pick some up, and just keep mixing it in until we start forming an actual dough ball. Right here is a good cement consistency, but we need more. We need it to be a dough ball. There we go. It's starting to form a ball, and I'm just going to keep working it, and I'm going to pick up some of the material from the sides, and I can pick it up now. It's not sticking too terribly to my fingers, but it is a little bit, so it needs a hair more of the powder, and I'm scraping it up from the sides and just mixing it in, making it drier and drier. It's almost there. Then I'm going to roll it into like a little snake. And that's the form we use when we're pulling off of it. And I actually add more zinc material to it because it still needs to dry a little bit. There we go. So I'm going to play with it a little more, and there we go. Perfect. Now I'm going to bring in a model, and we're going to do two fillings for these back two fillings right here. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to take my Explorer tool, and I'm just going to take a little bit of the material, and I'm going to fill in one of the gaps. And what I want you to do is use your Explorer to push it in, and you can clean your Explorer on your glove just like a dentist, and I definitely recommend wearing gloves, and just push it in real nice with your fingers, with your Explorer, anything you can, and you'll see quickly just clean off the excess material from the sides, keeping your tooth intact, and that's beautiful. Let's move on to the second one. All right, quickly we're just filling in that material and using our Explorer to push it in. You could use your fingers with a little ball on your thumb. Your dentist does all the time. And I'm just using the Explorer because I like to use that tool. And I'm pressing it in with my fingers, making sure it really sets in there, that there's no cavities under it, that we get it nice. And you can see I've just pressed it in, and I'm cleaning off the areas now. And it's a beautiful filling. Well, I hope we were able to give you some good advice and tips on how to use our products. Remember, we're always here to help you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We love to help our customers. So remember, you too can smile again with SmileFix.
Oh no! SmileFix!